What's going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Jay Seals, and today we are talking about the man himself, SBF, and he's back to his regular shenanigans because he has allegedly cashed out on 684K while under house arrest. I don't even understand how somebody does this, but we're going to break into it. We're going to dive deep and see how this man ended up allegedly cashing out on this money because it's SPF, right? So Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of the collapsed crypto exchange FTX, was recently released on a $250 million bail bond. At the moment, Bankman-Fried is under house arrest and is staying in San Francisco with his parents. However, recent revelations suggest that Bankman-Fried allegedly cashed out on $684,000 from a crypto exchange in Seychelles. I think that's how you pronounce that. Pseudonymous. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but anyway, DeFi analyst and educator Bow-Tied Iguana recently joined all the on-chain dots and presented a compelling conjecture. The analyst explained that by cashing out on such a significant amount, SBF has likely violated his release condition of not spending more than $1,000 without the permission of the court. That's a little interesting. Did he really spend the money? Or, does cashing out means he made a transaction? I don't know. That's a little tough sell. But notably, SBF's public address sent all the Ethereum tokens to a newly created address. The analysts highlight that SBF took over the address that was originally owned by the anonymous SushiSwap creator from Chef Nami in August 2020. Within hours, the newly created address received transfers summing up to $367,000 from $367,000 from 32 addresses identified as Alameda Research wallets. Furthermore, an additional $322,000 came from other wallets. The said addresses also sent a total of 519.5 ETH, worth $630,000, to another address that also received funds from addresses labeled as Alameda Research. The analyst further revealed 5 more transactions involving less than 51 ETH, worth $61,000, that were used to move funds to newly created wallets. Bow-Tied Iguana noted that all funds were sent to centralized crypto exchange in Seychelles and to the crypto bridge Renbridge. Furthermore, the SBF Link wallet sent 3 parts of 200,000 Tether to the fixed float exchange. Also, regulators are asking regulators to look into the issue, the analyst said. As the Ethereum blockchain is an immutable public ledger, this on-chain evidence is permanently available to law enforcement and the courts. People from the crypto space, however, were quick to raise questions. For instance, a particular user said, "I don't know that this necessarily qualifies as spending money." That's what I just said. They're his assets already, or he'll argue that at least. The bigger question is whether those assets are a part of the bankruptcy estate and not actually his assets personally. And yeah, I guess it's a good question, whether or not he's stealing money from Alameda that should be really a part of the bankruptcy, or if it's actually just his money that he's just moving around. Either way, I don't think that he necessarily can get in trouble for it because he didn't really spend $1,000. He's just moving assets around. Now, where he got these assets from, that's the questionable part about it. And, I think SBF is just up to his old tricks. Probably using that money for his lawyer fees, honestly. At least if I were him, that's what I'd be using that money for, because them lawyer fees are going to rack up real fast, and his supposed net worth isn't that much anymore, so any little penny can help. But that's all I got for this one. Please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. That way you don't miss any new videos that we come out with. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.